Okay, so what I have is a Price Pfister AVANTI, and I think it's been in this house since 1988, which makes it about 30 years old. And this is my third one, and I saw one on YouTube, but the quality wasn't so great, so I decided to upgrade the quality and show you a complete step-by-step. So you start with this. Typically you have some leak, it looked like crunchy. You can buy the faceplate from Amazon, Home Depot. They sell them under the name Price Pfister AVANTI. So you remove the center cap and take out this knob, pull this out, remove this. Pump the faceplate off. See how dirty this is. So what I recommend is to use some of this freeze off. It's a penetrating oil. Make sure you don't use too much, just a little on the threads on the outside. Okay. And then you take this wrench, find a flat spot. See, it comes right out. This one comes right off. So you just unscrew this. So I like to use the original Price Pfister bolt, really long, and the original cap. So they're long, so that way you can make sure you reach it all the way in there. As you pull this out, there's a tab right here. You want to get a small screwdriver behind it, push it, just wiggle it a little bit, and wiggle it a little bit down the bottom here. Helps move it out. And as you wiggle out, you spray some WD-40. You have to brace yourself against it. Just pull it straight out. This one's good, it didn't break. I would recommend getting the original Price Pfister. Part number on this is 132315. You can get them from Home Depot for about $22. I found them on Amazon for about $14, but they never arrived, so I guess I have to use the Home Depot one. And it comes in a package. The part number is also S as in Steve 74-292. Also, I would recommend cleaning the inside of this. The other thing that I got is also silicone grease. So always use silicone grease. Don't use anything with petroleum the derivatives, because it'll swell up the seal and get it all locked up. So I got this from Amazon for about 70 cents. Comes with a patch. Make sure you put lots of grease in all the threads, so that next time you take it out, it's easy. Put it on the inside. This has grease on it already, but might as well put some more on. Make sure it can't hurt. Put them all around here. Makes it easy to take it off next time. And it should be finger tight. Should not be too tight, just finger tight, using a crescent wrench. I know it's finger tight, but I tighten it a little bit over and then back and forth a little bit. Okay, that's finger tight. So I found this at in Amazon for about $62 shipped. Turns out that Home Depot has the chrome one for about $35. So if you can live with a chrome one, get them at Home Depot. But I got this at Amazon. Oh yeah, by the way, make sure you cover your drain so you don't lose a bolt down there. I have a drain, I got a drain trap, so a drain mesh. So if I drop it, it won't be in the drain. Okay, so the water's turned on.